this is going to be my first makeup talk through video. About 6 or 7 videos ago, I did a poll inquiring with you all, you know, how many of y'all want me to continue to do the voiceovers, or do you want me to do an actual, you know, talk through makeup video where as I'm applying the makeup, I'm literally really talking as I'm applying it. So many of you to be exact, 78% of you was like, do a talk through. And I was surprised by that. Well, no, I wasn't really surprised because I would get comments every now and then. But overall, I was really surprised by it because this is me stepping way out my comfort zone. Way out the comfort zone. It's a lot easier to edit doing voiceovers. It's a lot easier to edit that way than it is for me to do the actual talk through. So when I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at whatever it is I'm going to be utilizing and doing. And I want this video to be less about the actual makeup look and more about what it is, whatever it is I'm talking about. That'll help kind of take the pressure off of me, you know. But everything that you see I'm using, I will be sure to list down in the description box below. So, oh my god. So as I was saying, using MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics palette. A lot of you have asked me, hey, you know, when is your palette coming out? What's going on with it? And yeah, I do have the palette. I have palettes because I have more than one. The palettes, they're coming out. It's just that I'm currently not really happy with the packaging of it. So I'm kind of like redesigning the packaging. So that's what's holding it up. And starting a cosmetic line is not easy. Let me say that. Oh, speaking of that, I'm using this right here. It is not as easy as I thought it was going to be. And it's more expensive than I thought it was going to be. So in my last video I made was called YouTube Rich, or is there such a thing as being YouTube Rich? It got a lot of great responses. I mean, a lot of you kind of, you know, felt where I was coming from or whatever. And that video was about the assumption that people generally seem to make, that just YouTubers in general make loads and loads and loads of money. And that really ain't the case. Not every YouTuber is making loads and loads and loads of money. Some of them are. And yeah, they said, oh, if you got hundreds and thousands of subscribers, or if you got millions of subscribers, those are the ones that's making all this money, and they be buying these houses, expensive cars, and whatnot. So I want to touch base on that a little bit more. I recently was eligible, as I should say, to attend a YouTube Black event. And at the YouTube Black event, I was excited to go because that gave me a chance to actually meet a lot of the YouTube executives, people that work behind the scenes at YouTube. So I was able to inquire. So when I went to that event, it was less about me meeting other YouTubers or content creators. No, I wanted to see the faces behind YouTube. That's why I went to that event. So anyhow, went to the YouTube Black event, and where we at? Okay, went to the YouTube Black event and had the opportunity to meet some YouTube executives. And I was asking them, hey, what is going on? Is that it? Yeah. What is going on with YouTubers, and some of them being paid, some of them not being paid? So they told me, the YouTube executives that is, they was like, oh, well, it's less about how many subscribers that a YouTuber have. I mean, that's great and all, but that just shows the loyalty of your fan base is your subscribers. But it's less about the subscribers and more about the views, because advertisers pay by the views. That's just what it is. So if you could have millions of subscribers, but if your views don't match your millions of subscribers, you're not gonna make no money. At least that's what was explained to me. So in further conversation with them, I was like, all right, people can buy views. It's no secret. People can buy views. So that don't make any sense, I told them. That don't make sense to me. You talking about it's more about the views and less about the subscribers. Because if you really want to, you can buy subscribers and you can buy views. And if you do that, then that means, you know, you're fostering a view count that's not organic. They knew they was talking to the right one. Okay, they knew they was talking to the right one, because I wasn't even trying to network with the other YouTubers that was there. I saw a lot of them. That was great. That was fine. Yee-hoo, yippee-ki-yay. But I wanted to get to the executives that was walking around. So then they was like, well, no. When it comes to YouTube, yeah, you can buy subscribers, you can buy views, but on the back end, they have your organic numbers. So, and when your advertisers reach out, when the advertisers reach out to them, they can present the true analytics of what's going on. So what I'm bringing this up to say is, before a brand actually reaches out to a YouTuber, they investigate them to make sure it's a legit thing that's going on. I'm glad I'm recording this so you can see what I'm talking about. Mother Nature and I do not get along on doing actual talk through makeup tutorials. We do not get along. As you can clearly see, she got her own little hidden agenda happening. Now I'm just going to blend this upward a little bit. Yeah, we're going to blend this upward. And add a tiny bit of black. Just a tiny bit, because let me use a different brush. I'm already going to do some black eyeshadow. Ooh, that's powerful. That was too much right there. I just kind of want to get a little bit of definition into my eyes. Yeah, that was too much right there. Ooh. See, now I got to darken it over here. Damn it. See. Doing too much. But I just want a little bit of definition. We're not going to even finish that right there. And I want to darken this orange, this rustic color. And then I'm going to do the liner. I gotta do the liner, and I need to pop. Okay. Why won't she let me be great? Why won't she let me be great? Okay, I think she decided to calm down a little bit. Nope. Is she coming back? Okay. Wait. Nope. See what I be talking about? See what Mother Nature be doing? You saw how the camera, the lighting was just going all over the place? Taking my Fenty Beauty. I'm taking some gold. Ooh, some gold right here. And y'all say, oh, do a makeup talk through. I told y'all, she be being some kind of way. Mother Nature is grimy. So this is the finished look, and as you saw throughout this video, Mother Nature was at it again. She refused to just let me be great and record talk through, you know, get ready with me while using her natural daylight. You saw what she was doing with those clouds just rolling all over the place. Oh my lord. Using my cosmetic line, MzGlamourAddict cosmetic lipstick, orange sorbet. Yeah. You saw what was happening. I mean, that's a shame. That's a shame. But dolls, I'm gonna try it again. I kid you not. I'm gonna try it again, and I'm gonna get it right. Okay, I refuse to let her defeat me. But in the meantime, I want to go ahead and share this ponytail that I'm wearing with you all. It is by Free Dress Equal. It is the drawstring ponytail, which actually looks like this right here. It is a drawstring ponytail, and I like it. I mean, it's super cute, and it was only $10, and yeah, that's what it's about. I'm gonna do a separate video on this ponytail, but I need to go ahead and begin my day. I want to thank you all for taking the time to even watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.